In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a page in SharePoint Online. So let's dive into it. To get started, open up your internet browser and type in Microsoft SharePoint in the search bar. You should see the SharePoint site in your search results. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you've landed on the SharePoint homepage, you'll see a Sign In button. Click that to proceed. If you're already logged in with an existing Microsoft 365 account, you might find yourself automatically signed in. If not, you'll need to enter your email address followed by your password. Once you've successfully logged in, you're good to move to the next step. Now, navigate to the specific SharePoint site where you wish to add a new page. Look around in the upper left corner of the site. You'll notice a plus new button. Go ahead and click that button. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you several options. From these options, choose Page. You'll then be presented with a variety of templates to choose from. This is where you can customize your page by selecting a template that best fits your needs. Or if you're feeling creative, you can opt to start with a blank page. After making your choice, click Create Page to start building your new page. It's time to give your page a unique identity, so in the top area, type a name for your page that suits its purpose. Now, let's fill your page with content. To start adding sections, click the plus sign, which allows you to choose a layout that works for the kind of content you plan to showcase. Then, within each section, click the plus sign again and you'll have a variety of web parts to choose from. These can be text, images, videos, or even files that you want to display. Feel free to mix and match as per your requirements. Each web part you add is customizable. Click in any text area to edit the content to better convey your message. You also have the option to personalize the look and feel by changing the banner image and other elements on your page to align with the theme or purpose of your page. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and reads, it's time for the grand finale, to publish your work. Simply click the Publish button when you're ready to share your page with others. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new page in SharePoint Online. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Creating a SharePoint page can seem daunting at first, but once you get the hang of these steps, it becomes a straightforward process that helps you manage and share information seamlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to explore other features of SharePoint to further enhance your projects.